Good morning. If you open up your fridge and like this one you see water down here, don't panic and know someone hasn't spilt something. It's actually your fridge. Let me take some of this stuff out of the way and I'll show you what it is and what you can do about it. It's very, very easy. I've taken the shelves out to make access easier. The way our fridge works, there's a coil on the back that gets cold. As it gets cold, it removes heat from the fridge, but the downside to that is it also produces condensation inside the fridge because of the moisture that's in there. You're now looking at the back of the fridge, but now look down here. It's full of water and it's blocked up with just general grime and gubbins. What you actually need is one of these. It's a pipe cleaner. You put it down the hole just to unblock it. It's that easy. The reason that it's there is so that all the condensation drips down onto the top of the compressor. On the compressor on your fridge is a plastic basket to contain water. The compressor naturally gets hot, so it evaporates the water. It's that simple. Job done. Give it a wipe. All sorted.